All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up. This is going to be a bit more core intensive and get into the shoulders and the upper back. So to start, come into all fours. And starting this out, just bring your knees together, tuck the toes of both feet, and see it all 10 toes are tucked. You can always reach back for the pinky toe. And then just round your spine, bring your hands in close, stretching out the soles of the feet here. Keep your toes gripping the floor. And just go back and forth. Lift your knees, bring them into your chest, and then come back down. And just keep on lifting and lowering like this here to start. All right, and then the next time you bring your knees down, just keep them down. Walk your hands forward, just come into your all fours. You can shake your feet out a little bit. And then we'll work this into a twist and thread the needle here. Now to set this up, keep your wrists underneath the shoulders, your knees underneath the hips here to begin, but then step your left foot straight out to the side. Now keep your left leg straight, press into the inside edge of the foot. Working with the left arm, we'll go back and forth. Inhale the left arm high. Exhale, twist, left arm underneath, bring your shoulder down low. Inhale, reach the left arm up. Exhale, twist again. Inhale the left arm high. Exhale, twist one more time. Now stay twisted. Push the left arm into the floor. Try to stack the right shoulder above the left. Look up over the right shoulder. And keep your left foot pressing down. Just breathe here as you're twisting. Take an inhale. And with the exhale, just release. Come back to all fours. Now take it on the other side. So the left knee comes down, but step your right foot straight out to the side. Back and forth with the right arm. Inhale the right arm high. Exhale, twist and bring the right arm underneath. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, come under and twist again. Inhale the right arm high. Exhale, twist one more time. Now stay low here. Press the right arm into the floor. Try to stack the left shoulder above the right and look up. Keep your right foot pushing down. All right, take an inhale. And then with the exhale, come back up the center, back to all fours. And then from all fours, we're going to take this down into a side-lying position. So why don't you bring the right forearm down, and then come down onto your right hip. So both knees are bent and your legs are stacked. Now, I'm going to make my right hand to a fist. You can have the hand flat, but keep your hand pushing down. Left hand to the floor or to your hip if you can take this further. Now from here, press into the floor, lift your hips and extend your left leg. And then come back down. Press into the floor, lift and extend. Come back down. Push into the floor, lift and extend. Bring it back down. Press into the floor, lift and extend. Come back down. Press into the floor, lift, hold here. Keep your left leg extended and try to squeeze your glutes. To take it further, stretch the left arm past your head and then take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee, stay lifted. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. 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 Now inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time, and then come back down. And then go ahead, bring yourself through center, and let's take this on the other side. So left elbow down, you're on the left hip, both knees bent, legs stacked. Right hand to the floor, or you can bring it to the right hip. Now take it back and forth. Lift your hips and extend the right leg. Come back down. Lift up and extend. Bring it back down. Lift up and extend. Sink back down again. Lift up, extend your right leg. Bring it back down. Lift up and extend. Stay lifted here. Keep your hips high, stretch your right arm past your head, take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time, and then come back down. Bring yourself up to a seat, shake your legs out just a little bit. All right, and then from here, let's set this up for reverse tabletop. Feet in front of you, hips width. Hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Palms down, fingertips to the sides, or you can point the fingers forward, whatever is good for your wrists. Push down, lift your seat up off the floor, and then back and forth. Press the hips up and squeeze your glutes. Sink back down. Push your hips up high. Lower back down. Lift your hips up again. Sink this down. Press this up high, and then lower. Push your hips up again. Sink back down. Press your hips high. Come back down. Lift the hips again. Bring it back down. Press your hips high, and then lower. Lift your hips up again. Sink down. Now press up high and hold this time. Keep your glutes squeezing. Lift your chest up as well. You can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. Push your heels. Try to pull them toward your hands and try to push your hands toward the feet at the same time. Keep that tension and stay lifted here. Take an inhale. With the exhale, come all the way down. Once you're down, shake your hands out for a moment. All right, once you're ready, go across at the ankles, come forward, your hands come into all fours. And let's go ahead and take this into the wrist. Now keep your hips stacked, your knees, shoulders, or wrist palms down. Rotate your fingers to the side and then in toward the knees as far as you can go. Now spread your fingers wide, dig your fingertips down, grip the floor. And then go ahead, circle your shoulders or wrists, keep gripping as you move. Now to take it further, come into center, look forward, keep gripping, and then shoulders forward. Pull the elbows underneath you as they bend. Press back up the straight. Shoulders forward, elbows in, sink down, and press back up. Shoulders forward, elbows underneath. Push back up again. Shoulders forward, elbows in, sink down, and then lift up. Shoulders forward, elbows in. Now hold here, stay low, keep gripping with your fingers. And as you hold this, keep looking forward. Just move your legs one at a time. Step your right foot back and to the left. Touch the big toe down. Bring the knee back to the floor. Left big toe over to your right side. And back to center. Right big toe left again. Bring the knee down. Left foot over to the right. And then bring the knee down. Right foot to the left one more time. Bring the knee to the floor. Left big toe to the right side. And then set the knee down. Come up onto the fingertips. And down to sitting on your heels, and just take a moment, shake your hands out, loosen up your fingers and wrists. All right, a few things to keep this warmed up. The next thing's a twist. I want you to come back into all fours. Now wrists into the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, tuck the toes of both feet, and just hover your knees up off the floor. Now I want to take it from here and go side to side. So I want you to lift your right foot. Right leg goes to the left. Drop your left heel, lift your left hand, and sink down. Come back to center, back to all fours. Left leg to the right. Drop your right heel, lift the right hand, and then come back to center. Right leg to the left, twist to the side. Come back to center here. Left leg to the right, sink down, and then come back to center. Right leg to the left, sink your hips low. Back to all fours. Left leg to the right, sink down, and come back to center. 2 more rounds. Right foot to the left, sink down again. Bring it back to center. Left leg to the right, sink down, and then back to center. Right leg to the left one more time. Now stay low, but then press into the floor. Lift your hips. Stretch your left arm long past your head. Keep your glutes squeezing. Just hold. Keep the right arm strong. And then go ahead, sink back down. Come back to center, back to all fours. Take it the other way. Left foot to the right. Drop the right heel, sink down. And then push your hips up high, extend your right arm long, stay lifted here. Take an inhale. Exhale, come back down. And then come back to center, back to all fours, and set your knees down. Let's take a moment here to breathe. All right, from here, let's take it down to a forearm plank. So bring both forearms down to the floor. And then step your feet back, bring your body in line. Feet hips width. You can have the palms flat or palms together. See if the elbows stay shoulder width. Now stay in the toes. Keep the hips in line with the shoulders and heels, and keep your hands pushing down. Just moving straight forward and back. Bring your head as far forward as you can go. And then press back. Forward for 2. Press it back again. Forward for 3. Press this back. Forward for 4. And then press back. Forward for 5. Press it back again. Forward for 6. And press back. Forward for 7. Press it back. Forward for 8. And press back. Forward for 9. Press it back again. Forward for 10. Press back one more time. Set your knees down. And come back to all fours. All right, one more thing just to be sure we're all warmed up here. So from all fours, tuck the toes, hover your knees, and this time sink back down to heels. Now let's go back and forth from here. Step your right foot outside your right hand. Now lift your right hand, pull your left leg through, and then pull back and step back, sink down to the heels. Left foot outside the left hand. Lift your left hand, pull the right leg through. Pull back, and then sink back down. 4 more rounds. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, and sink down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, and sink down. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down. Left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down. We'll do 1 more round. Right foot forward, left leg through. Pull back, sink down, and then left foot forward, right leg through. Pull back, sink down, and come back to all fours. And just breathe, take a seat when you're ready. And that's the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.